Hey there and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into a really simple, but honestly, super powerful technique for bringing a little calm and order back into your inner world. It's a quick meditation that's all about clearing out the clutter so you can sharpen your focus. So let's get right into it. Does this feel familiar to you? It's that feeling, right? Like you've got 100 tabs open in your brain and every single one is screaming for your attention. It's just mental noise, pure confusion, and it can leave you feeling totally overwhelmed and just scattered. But what if there was a way to just hit a reset button, to kind of file away all that noise and get back to a place of calm? Well, turns out there is, and we are about to walk through exactly how to do it. Okay, so first, let's just properly frame the problem we're trying to solve here. It's the cluttered mind challenge. It's that feeling of constant static in your head that just drains your energy and makes it impossible to concentrate. And the solution, it's what we're calling an organized mind. Now, this isn't about trying to fight your thoughts or force them to go away. No, instead, it's this really cool visualization technique that's designed to bring order to all that chaos. So, what is it exactly? Well, at its heart, the organized mind is a meditation that really leans on the power of your imagination. The goal here isn't to have a totally empty mind, because let's be real, that's almost impossible. The goal is an organized mind, a state of inner peace and order where you feel like you're back in the driver's seat. And this quote, this is basically the entire practice in a nutshell. The key here is to change the picture in your head from, say, a chaotic storm of thoughts to a calm, quiet library. In this mental library, every thought has its own place. It's not some big, scary threat, it's just a piece of information, neatly filed away on a shelf. Just changing that mental image can totally transform your relationship with your own mind. Okay, so we get the idea, right? Now let's get into the practical side of things, the step-by-step guide. And you'll see this is incredibly simple to do. So here they are, the 5 simple steps. First, just find a spot where you can be comfortable. Then take a nice deep breath to anchor yourself in the moment. Now, step 3 is where the magic happens. You bring up that image of the big, peaceful hall in your mind. Okay, and step 4 is absolutely crucial. Thoughts are going to pop up. The goal is not to stop them. It's just to notice them without any judgment. No getting frustrated, no getting attached. And finally, when you realize your mind has wandered, you just gently, kindly bring your focus back to your peaceful hall. That is literally it. And this right here really gets to the most important part of the whole practice. On the left, you see what we usually do. We fight our distracting thoughts, which, just makes us more stressed out. But the solution, what you see on the right, is so much simpler. Just notice them, acknowledge that the thought is there, and then just let it float by like a cloud in the sky. When you stop fighting them, they lose their power. Okay, so this all sounds great, but how does it actually fit into your real busy life? Well, this isn't just some nice idea. It's a super practical tool you can use to bring a lot more clarity into your day. And maybe the best part? Look at the time commitment. It's tiny. You don't need to carve out a whole hour of your day. We're talking 3 to 7 minutes. That's it. That little bit of time is all it takes to hit the mental reset button and find a quick moment of clarity. And you can be really strategic about when you use it. Maybe do it in the morning to start your day feeling calm and focused. Or take a few minutes during a work break to clear your head before jumping into your next task. Or you could use it at night to unwind and just let go of all the day's stress. It really is a flexible tool for your mental toolkit. So what's the payoff for those few minutes? Well, it's a real feeling of clarity, a sense of lightness, almost like a weight has been lifted. And maybe most importantly, a much deeper ability to focus on whatever you have to do next. You're not just calming your mind for a moment, you're actually setting it up for better performance. All right, so let's talk about your path forward from here. This isn't about following some rigid set of rules. It's about taking this simple technique and really making it work for you in your own life. And if there's one thought to leave you with, it's this. This practice is a gentle, gradual process. Every time you do it, with every breath, you're strengthening that feeling of inner order. You're helping your mind become just a little bit calmer and a little more organized. So I'll leave you with this question to mull over. Just imagine what you could do, what problems you might solve, or even just how much better you might feel if you could tap into this state of mental clarity whenever you needed it. Really think about it. What could you achieve with a clearer mind?